Hello and welcome to our channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this simple single braided hairstyle attaching tiny beads. Now this is something you want to watch and see how it was made. Keep on watching. First of all, I'm going to start from the back. I'm going to be parting out this section. As you can see me do here, I'm just taking it slowly, so that it won't be very painful for her. So I'm just parting out this small section, and I made sure that the parting was straight. So I made use of the back of her ear as my guide, from one part of the back of her ear to the other part of the back of her ear. So that was how I was able to achieve this pattern, as you can see. So I went ahead to divide this into two, to section it into two parts, because I just want two to be there. I'm going to be keeping this one aside, and I went ahead to detangle the edge at the end, that's the edges, with my fingers. I detangled it with my fingers. I sprayed a little water to the hair, to make it to be wet. So I added the hair cream. We are making use of apple hair cream. So I added the hair cream on her hair, to moisturize it. Would I say this is a hair grease, more of like a hair grease, just like a Blue Magic and all this. That's the kind of texture this hair cream has. So I went ahead to detangle her hair with a white tooth comb. Then after detangling the hair with a white tooth comb, I went ahead to detangle it, that's the comb it out, with a normal comb. Which after doing that, I used a brush to brush down the edges of her hair, so that everything will be very nice and neat. Since I'm not making use of any gel, I'm not making use of any edge control, just the hair cream and the brush. That's what I made use of in this video. So I'm going to secure it down using a rubber band. Now down to the braiding, I'm going to section the hair. I'm going to part it into three. Then I'm going to braid like 5 times. I'm going to braid like 5 times, and at one end, as you can see, if you watch closely, you will see I'm making use of tiny beads. I'm not making use of big beads. I'm making use of tiny transparent beads, as you can see in this video. Now I'm going to get a tiny part of the hair from that part, and I'm going to insert the bead. This is going to take a lot of time, but with patience you're going to achieve the same result. So once I put the bead, I'll continue the braid. That's what you see me do. And for each single braid, I added 4 beads. For each single braid, I added 4 beads. It depends on how close you want the beads to be. It depends on the length of your girl's hair, the length of the hair you are actually making the style on. Her hair is a little long, not that very long, but it's a little long, and the beads wearing that close by. So this side, after adding the bead on the other side, I braid like 2 or 3 times. I braid like 3 or 4 times. Then I add another bead on the other side. That is what you see me do on this video. This is going to take you a lot of time. I'm not going to lie. It's going to take you a lot of time, but with patience, you are going to achieve this. It took me like 1 hour 30 minutes to finish this hair, the complete hair. It took me like 1 hour 30 minutes to complete the hair. So that is what I'm doing. I'll be attaching the beads as I'm making the hair. I'm going to be attaching the bead. I'm going to be doing it slowly, so that I won't end up making a mistake. As you are making the hairstyle, if this is the first time of seeing our videos, you're welcome to our channel. You're welcome to our channel. Do well to subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell icon so that you get notified whenever we post a new video. Yes, so that's what you see me do here. I'm just going to be braiding the hair all the way through the end, and once I get to the end, I'm going to just twist it. I'm going to twist it to hold them in place. Now this is the hair. Look at what it looks like. This is the braid with beads. You can actually make this with colorful beads. Any type of bead of your choice, you can make it with this particular style. Now, just like I did the first one, I'm going to repeat that same thing on this one again. Spraying of the water, moisturizing with hair cream, combing it out, and kind of holding it down with rubber band. Now I'm going to braid it just like we did to the first one. I'm not going to show the process again because it's kind of taking me time. What I'm just going to show you now is how I twist the ends. Once I get to the end of the hair, I just twist it to be in place. Now you can see how beautiful this twist is looking. So this is it for this particular tutorial. Now here I'm going to part the hair like this, using that her ear as my guide again, the top of her ear. So here I'm just going to be showing you guys the process, the stages, and how many braids I have made so far. So once I get to the front part, I'm just going to section the hair into two. I want to just have 4 braids there. So you can see this is the final look of the hairstyle. Is it beautiful? Do you like this hairstyle? Please, 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 and please again, do comment on our videos. I'm going to be doing a shout out to our commenters. I'm going to be starting that from our next video. So please comment on this video. Bye.